Are you a dirt bike rider that's sick of getting roosted by your buddy or tired of struggling on the tracks or trails, only to have to clean your face after every single ride? I can show you exactly how to master the tracks and trails and become a completely different rider in just 30 days guaranteed. Or I'll teach you 100% for free, but you should still keep your face clean. Look, the last thing you want to do is to learn on your own. It could cost you decades of your time, potentially tens of thousands of dollars in hospital bills, hardship, pain, and potentially even cost you your life. In-person training facilities are constantly getting more expensive, forcing you to memorize a wealth of information in a short amount of time, or making you pay for another ridiculously expensive lesson. Not here. I'll be right there on your computer or mobile device, always on demand. And after already accelerating thousands of new riders' learning curve, I know I'll be able to do the exact same for you. You see, I've uncovered a secret system that allows you to grasp the information and techniques much quicker by personally walking with you on your journey. Spoon feeding you the right information at the right time. I'm not gonna be like the riding dad on the block or your friends yelling an overwhelming amount of random nonsense only to get mad at you when you can't instantly process all of the information. Who could? I will see exactly where you are with your riding, providing you with the correct information at the perfect time, allowing you to comprehend the knowledge without getting frustrated to the point of giving up. Real results don't just show up from luck, hope, and constantly daydreaming about it. Real results come from having a coach that's exactly where you want to be and implements a system to rapidly increase your skill level. You need to learn how to use your controls, where to have your body positioning, which will help you ride smooth and fast, all while staying safe. To learn more about the benefits that I can provide for you, check out my book, which I'm giving away completely for free for a limited time. The reason I'm giving this exclusive information away is to show you how much goes into becoming a better rider. Able to ride with complete freedom, anywhere, anytime, without any limitations. If this is what you want and you're ready to go to the next level, then saddle up, stop wasting your time, money, and risking your life. You're a few clicks away from passing your friends, increasing your corner speed, decreasing braking distances, jumping higher, farther, and riding any track or trail you want. Your lap times will get faster, your control and confidence will skyrocket, and you'll be riding like a pro in no time. Just click the link below, leave your email at the bottom of the page so I can send you all this information and so much more straight to you. I look forward to making your dirt biking dreams become a reality. You just have to take the first step. Oh.